Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a highly requested video. No, I'm just playing. One person requested that I do a thrift flip, turning a button up into a top and short set. So here it is. Okay, so right here I'm kind of eyeing it, seeing where I want to cut it. You usually can mark this while it's on you, so you know how long you want your top. But this top is not that big, so I kind of found a good place using the shorts that I'm going to use as my pattern. But you want to start by cutting the top. You want to start by marking the top where you want to cut it, and then go ahead and cut it. So you have your bottom piece and your top piece. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. So we're gonna start with the shorts. Right here I'm just laying out my fabric in a way that keeps that curve effect, because I do want to add that in the shorts. And then I'm going to take my shorts that I'm using as a pattern and trace around it, and then I'll add a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I folded the shorts that I'm using outward, and then you want to make sure that the crotch is lined up. So just fold it to the front seam, and then when you do the back part, you'll fold it to that seam. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la. When the girlfriend my touch.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la. When the girlfriend my touch.
And now you're going to fold the shorts inward, and then go ahead and trace, add 1/2 inch seam allowance, and don't forget to lay it right on the seam.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, la. When the girlfriend my touch. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
Now we're going to cut out the shorts we just traced.
To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work.
And then we're going to take it to our serger. I like to serge all my edges, especially on fabrics that fray, before I do anything else. So if your fabric is fraying, please serge it, or finish the edge with a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose.
Okay, so now keeping the same size together, you're gonna pin the crotch seam down, and we're gonna sew just the crotch seam. Don't go down, just the crotch seam.
I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. You send me up there, work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the car from my.
And now we're gonna bust the crotch seam open. No, we're not. I'm sorry. We're going to open up those seams that we just made, and then we're going to attach that bottom seam that goes. This is, I guess, a crotch seam too, but this is the part that's gonna make that seat of the crotch. So you're gonna pin that together and then sew a straight line.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work.
So now that seam has been sewn, we're gonna lay out the shorts, and we're gonna do the side seams. So each side you're gonna line it up, pin it if you need to, and then sew a straight line. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end of the seam.
Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was.
Okay, so now the side seams are done. So now we're going to turn the shorts right side out so you can see them as if you were going to put them on, and then we're going to press all of our seams.
Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck.
So now we are going to do a waistband. Realistically, I didn't really need to make a whole nother waistband. I really could have just folded over the fabric at the top and added elastic, but I don't know, I just had to be difficult. So I needed more fabric, so I ended up cutting the sleeves off to make them short sleeves and use that fabric to make a waistband. I'm gonna add a video in the description box explaining how to do a waistband, because if I showed you mine, it would not be helpful at all. So go ahead and look at that and then come back to this video so you can see how we finish it up.
Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh.
Hopefully you came back to the video. So now we're adding on the waistband. Everything is sitting perfectly, and now we're just gonna sew along the seam and then serge it.
Spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You send me out there, work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, la,
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Listen to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the street.
The beautiful part about how I made these shorts is that I used the bottom of the shirt, so that means I don't have to hem it at all at the bottom. They're done, they're perfect. I probably would have added some pockets on the side now that I'm thinking about it, like making like a cargo vibe, but they're cute. I like them. And lastly, for the top, we do need to go ahead and serge and hem the sleeves and then the bottom part of it, and then we're done.
To get done, 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 and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. It's me